na trabaho. Known to you, but unknown to others. That is your way para makaligtas sa gawain. Okay. Unknown to self. Okay. That is hidden. Ano po? Hidden secrets, hidden, yan. Yan. Hidden talent and secrets. Unknown to others. Alam mo sa sarili mo, hindi nila alam. The third one. First is open, next is hidden, third is the blind one. Yung alam ng iba, pero hindi mo alam. Ano yun? Muta. Yung sabi mo, hindi ang bait-bait ko. Ang linis-linis ko. Pero may amoy na nga eh. Amoy na nga nila na may puto ka. Pero ayaw mo pang maniwala. Huy, may muta ka. Huy, may linis. Oh, hindi ako linis-linis ng ipin ko. What are these things? These are the blind spots. Yung mga hindi mo makita sa sarili mo, pero kita ng iba. Just in an organization, hopefully, you do it in the organization. And then, you also do it in your family. Uy, anak, how do you view me? Baka mamaya sabi ka ng sabi na, ako ay mabuting ina, ako ay mapagmahal. Tapos ang sinulat ni anak ay, laging wala si mama. Pero parang wala pa rin pag-placement, wala ka kakilala doon. Nothing is certain. Everything is possible. Yung feeling mo, hindi kayo magkakaayos no family mo, walang kaayusan. When nothing is certain, everything is possible. Yung pa-feeling mo, never na ikaw naging mabuting magulang sa anak mo, yung tipong ikaw head ng ESP, tapos yung anak mo kung saan napunta, maagang nakabuntis, nakakahiyan sa kapitbahay. When nothing is certain, everything is possible. Amen? Amen. And what does it give us? Ano binibigay sa atin nun? It is hope. It is hope. That when everything is uncertain, you hold on to the best possible outcome in your life. Kasi wala pang katapusan eh. Wala pang kasiguraduhan. And that is our session 2, the untapped potential. My dear friends, do not be afraid of the unknown. Because when nothing is certain, everything is possible. Okay! This time, I want you all to look around in your group. Yan. Yan ang mga kaparehas nyo ng love language at home. Sama-sama. Hindi pwede remote lang, work from home lagi. Kailangan all together in one project. Hindi pwede yung assignment lang, i-collate na lang. Kailangan collaborative from start to finish. Tama? Hindi pwedeng patsi-patsi. Ang gusto nyo, mula introduction hanggang conclusion, tayo na kanila yung part 1, sa'yo ang part 2, sa ibang part 3. Tapos, i-collate na lang nila. Hindi. Ang gusto nila, mula introduction hanggang conclusion, sama-sama tayo. Pagkatapos ng project, paano sila mag-celebrate? Gusto nila may outing man lang. Tama? Pagkatapos ng isang activity, tayo ay mag-dinner. Yan. Magsama-sama man lang. Okay. Ganun ba kayo? Hindi. Hindi na. Iba kayo. Okay lang kay acts of service. Mahalaga sa kanila na basta inassign na ng trabaho, matapos ko yung akin, kahit anong pagtipayan, okay na yon. Amen? Basta, quality and excellent work. Yes! is act of service. Hindi mahalaga sa kanila kung umpisa o hanggang dulo yung aking natapos. Basta yung assignment ko, quality and add part to the excellence na gusto ninyo. Tama? Yan, pare-parehas kayo. Okay. The words of affirmation. The words of affirmation. Ang gusto niya sa bawat bahagi ng kanyang trabaho, chine-check. Kailangan may feedback agad. Hindi pwede sa dulo na lamang. Kailangan every step of the way na check yung part. Feedback is very important to you. Kapag kailangan appreciated, grabe naman si Alun, di mo lang chinek yung aking work, parang wala na lang. Parang pagkasabit yung paper, pagkasabit ng paper, ni hi, ni ho, okay na, wala. Naghihintay kayo na, uy, nabasa ko yung gawa mo, okay yun. You are waiting for feedback in every step of the way. Kahit todo effort kayo, ay alam niyo na excellent yun, what you are waiting is feedback from the person na pinag-submitan ninyo. Tama? It's very important to you. Sometimes, akala natin, love language only work in relationship. Tama po, during pre-K na ginagawa ito sa simbahan. Chine-check kung parehas kayo ng love language ng misis ninyo. But also, according to Dr. Chapman, love language also work in the workplace. Because ang gusto lang naman na maramdaman ng bawat isa sa atin ay mahalaga ka. In every organization, kailangan maparamdam sa bawat isa that the work that you do matters to the organization. Hindi ka karagdagan lang. Hindi ka karagdagan lang. If you take up space, you matter. Tama po ano? Sa mga science, what is matter? If you take anything that takes up space, you matter. Tama po? Kasi kung sayang lang yung space para sa'yo, sa item mo, o sa trabaho mo, tapos wala naman pala, you do not matter, masakit. Na kapag wala ka, hindi ka man lang hinahanap. Because a person's greatest emotional need is to feel appreciated. The greatest emotional need of a person is to feel appreciated. Pwede pakisabi sa katabi mo, you are appreciated.
You are appreciated.
You are appreciated.
You are appreciated.
Ayan. Okay? Okay. Pansinin po ninyo. Sabi, dun sa
You are appreciated.
Sabi lang. Sabi ng mga physical touch, you are appreciated. May pagkawag pa sa binti. So that's how they are. When you give, parang feeling na wala, parang nakalimutan kami. Parang sakto na pagsabihan. Trinay ko lang. Pagkasabi nila na you're appreciated, lahat nila may pagkawak sa binti. Hinawakan niyo yung binti na katabi niyo? Okay, hindi wala. Yung sa iba, hindi. Ilan lang. Yung medyo mataas lang. Pero silang lahat, may ano ba? May pagtapit, may paghawak sa binti. Ang alam ko, bawal yan sa memo, ha? But that is who you are. That we talk about it. Because somehow, when there is a difference in the language, there is miscommunication. The lack of appreciation is a symptom of a communication problem. Okay? Because, yan, tama sir, no? Parang kapag tayo, nakakalimutan na natin to appreciate other people and to consciously give appreciation, that is a communication problem. Dapat conscious tayo to give out appreciation, to give out time, to give out positive words, and to give out excellent service to other people. Ano sabi? Conscious effort. Hindi kung kailan trip mo lang, kung kailan may awarding. For words of affirmation, they believe the best affirmation is receiving an award. Tama? Kapag may plaque, ay mahalaga sa inyo yun. And that is true. That is your love language. This time, yan. There is a need to feel valued and secure in one's role. That my role cannot be taken by another person. Kasi, kapag kaya ng iba, kapalit-palit ka. Sabihin mo nga sa katabi mo, hindi ka kapalit-palit.
Hindi ka kapalit-palit.
Hindi ka kapalit-palit. Nag-iisa ka.
Genuine ka.
Yan. Sabihin lang, hindi ko pa doon gano'n. Oh, apilan! Ang alam ko, sabi lang ko. Okay, it's very important that we feel valued and secure in our role. Kasi parang anytime, kapag hindi na tayo mahalaga, what do we want? Umalis na lang. Yes. Eh, gusto ko na lang mag-early retire na, parang bahala ko na. Kasi, ano yung sample nito? Yan. Before we move on, the last one is called the unknown. Hindi mo alam at hindi pa din nila alam. How do we move? That is called potential. Hindi pa natin alam eh. Wala nakakaalam sa atin kung anong mangyayari. What do we want? What do we want? Is for us to move wider yung ating open area. The first one, you owe known to others and told to self. Kung alam mo lang sa sarili mo, para malaman pa ng iba, what do? You share, disclose. Ibig sabihin, kapag alam mo sa sarili mo na marunong kang kumanta, tell them. Uy, marunong ako kumanta.